Hey, yeah. Oh no, this looks horrible. Hold on. This is even worse. Okay, there you go. Yes, unnecessary, I admit, but I have to look presentable, I guess. So anyway, yeah, I learned jump roping. Fun. Originally, I wanted to make a 30-day challenge where I would jump rope every single day, and then I'll probably record my weight loss or some crap like that. However, life got busy. Life got really busy. I had vaccine appointments, family issues, personal issues, work stuff, and everything else that comes with life. Yeah. Due to all that, I couldn't really consistently jump rope every single day. I skipped. At first, it was like just skip one day. Like, oh, one day's fine. But then after a while, I skipped 2, 3, a week, 2 weeks, and I'm like, all right, this video is definitely bad. This video is definitely gonna fail. However, I have like at least 1 hour footage which I really don't want to delete. So you know what? Let's still do this. So this video took me about 2 months, but in actuality, it was just about not six, maybe about 1 month of actual jump roping with breaks in between, basically. So I jump rope. I don't even know, honestly. I just saw some videos. They looked really cool. You know what? I'm really fat and I need some exercise. So let's do jump roping. It's easy. It's fun. What could possibly go wrong? So I bought like a $10 jump rope from the internet, and then started my journey. It's gonna be easy sailing from there. No, it wasn't. Day 1. Things didn't start out quite well, I'll be honest. Things were terrible, basically. Took my rope, I held it firmly, and then when I started, I instantly failed. It hit the grass. Good job, Ezad. Good job for skipping outside. You're really smart. Day number 4. Yes, you're probably wondering, why am I at day 4 now? Where's day 2 and 3? Well, being the professional YouTuber I am,
I deleted them.
throughout this video, you're going to realize I have deleted some videos on accident. There's this whole thing on my phone and whatnot, and I just lost like half the footage for like half the day. So yeah, quite good. But anyway, days 2 and 3 were pretty much duds anyway. Day 4, however, was still a dud. Kinda. I could improve now. Now instead of 5 or 10 skips, I hit my legs every 12 skips. Day number 11. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing, honestly. I really don't know. I was probably on something on that day. 12 days in, I finally start to learn my first skill. And that would be the running in place while skip roping. And well, day number 16. Day 16 was still progress, basically. I could finally jump in place, but well, it was way too high. And also, look at those pants I'm wearing. Those just look bad. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. So day 17 was still the same thing, but I got a little bit better, as you can see here. Still with horrible pants. Please ignore that. Day number 20. Yeah. Well, it was good actually. Yeah, it was good. Surprisingly, it went well. I actually look like a decent skipper now. Until I mess up. Yeah, good job. Day number 21. After finally learning my first skill, I decided to try the ultimate skill, the crisscross. And yeah, I failed miserably again. Day 30. Yeah, I got it. Day 30 was an improvement, I guess, after about 10 days of practicing the crisscross. Well, 10 days plus like some breaks in between there because I can't do challenges apparently. I can do crisscross, well, like just one or two at a time, but it's progress. Day 33, I decided to go outside. Why not? Maybe the outside nature could help me master the skill. Nope. I still suck. Day 52. Yes, I lost a lot of footage. A lot of footage. During those 20 days, I still jumped rope, but not consistently, I would say. I had appointments, I had busy life stuff to do, and well, I still managed to, I would say, out of those 20 days, I would probably jump rope for like 10 of those. So anyway, on day 52, you can see for yourself. Wow, look at the amazing tap dancing skills. A little bit of crisscrossing. At least I jumped better than a 6-year-old. Never mind. Day 73. Yes, another 20 days, but this time, no, I didn't use footage.
I didn't skip.
Yeah, more of that stupid life stuff coming anyway. So yeah, this is, I guess, the final video, the final recording of my challenge, and here's how it went. Honestly, for being so inconsistent and just being horrible at jump roping at the start, I'm honestly amazed at myself, honestly, that I've actually managed to go from this to this. So I do wish I could have done the actual challenge and whatnot, but well, at least I managed to learn something. And you know what, maybe in the future, maybe I'll do a proper challenge for once. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how I learned jump roping in about 73 days. And I hope this video helped you guys a bit, at least gave you a bit of motivation. If a guy as lazy and as talentless as me can do this, what's stopping you? I hope you guys enjoyed this bizarre adventure for my life. And yeah, see you guys later.